When registering for classes, you may discover that a course has already reached enrollment capacity. You can tell which classes are full based on the status symbol that accompanies each course listing. A class with a yellow triangle for the status symbol indicates that the class is full. Students will have an option to join a waitlist. You may join a waitlist if you still wish to take a class that is already at full capacity and meet pre- and co-requisites for the given class. It is important to read carefully all class section information before enrolling in the class or signing up for the class waitlist. Students can sign up for the waitlist in numeric order. For example, if the waitlist is at 0 and you sign up for the list, you would be the first person on the list. If the waitlist is at 6 and you sign up, you would then be the 7th person on the list. If a student is dropped, the first student on the waitlist will then be officially enrolled in the section. For example, a student who is second on the waitlist will now be first. In order for the next person on the list to be added to the filled section, another student must drop or be dropped from that section. Although you may waitlist up to 5 units above your enrollment limit for a given semester, you will not be added to any courses you have waitlisted if they exceed your enrollment limit. As with any class, if you move from the waitlist to being enrolled in the class section, it is your responsibility to drop the class before the drop deadline if you choose not to attend the class. Failure to drop the class before the drop deadline will result in a WU grade, which will be placed on your academic record and lower your grade point average. Please note that if you are added to the class from the waitlist, it is your responsibility to pay any additional fees that may be due as a result of being added to an additional class section. Failure to pay any additional fees will result in you being dropped from the class. It is also important to note that when classes begin for the semester, the waitlist function will no longer be available. All students who were on the waitlist at this time will lose their position on the list and will only be added to courses at each individual instructor's discretion. Thanks for watching.